Here I have Lenovo TAB 4.8, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, let's open Play Store, then tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Device, and then go to the Updates Available. And here you can see all of your unupdated apps, so you can update them by tapping this update button next to them, or just tap update all and update them all at once. But if you have a lot of unupdated apps, it could take some time, so it's for you to decide how you want to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.